Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I'm going to give you an awesome hamstring tip that you can do at home that will complete your training that little bit more. So a lot of people rely on deadlifts for their hamstring training alone, and it's very important to actually add in the pulling of the leg up towards your butt. So if you get a pillow on a wooden floor, all you got to do is put your heels on that pillow, lie yourself down, squeeze your butt as hard as you can. Try and make yourself as long as possible and try and do a sit up at the same time. That's going to tighten your abs, and then squeeze your butt as hard as you can. That's going to lift your butt off the floor. Then from there, just pull your legs up towards your butt, like that. And that is really going to make your hamstrings go on fire. Do this for 15 to 20 reps. If you've never done it before, you'll probably only be able to do like 3 reps, and then you'll be like, my bum's cramping, which is never fun. So build it up at your own level. Things that you want to look out for though would be doing this. So if I'm here like this and I just pull it up, there's no real hamstring engagement. I'm just pulling my heels towards my butt. So it's really important that you have your hip squeezed, locked out, and lift everything together. Okay, so nothing changes here. If it's too hard for you, go up into a bridge first and then try to bring it down a little bit and see can you pull back from there, and if you can get all the way down as a slow negative like that, and then just bridge up again, slow negative like that. Okay, but ideally full thing, what you're looking for is everything squeezed nice and tight, bump, and then up, all one motion as high as you can get it, like that. Like I said, 15 to 20 reps, aim to do 5 sets of that. Hit that at home and your hamstrings will be awesome.